Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. So today myself Nishi from Toppers Academy is here to inform you about the upcoming batch of Toppers Academy, which is especially designed for the preparation of CUET exam and which is also known as Common University Entrance Test. So let's have a quick view on the key features of this batch. First of all, we are giving the live classes. It means we are giving the live interaction between our teachers and students. Second, this batch is especially designed for the preparation of science subjects as well as for general test and English also. Third, we are giving the recorded lectures which are available throughout the sessions to our students. Last but not the least, we are conducting many quizzes and test series sessions. So hurry up, what are you waiting for? Start preparing for CUET with one and only Toppers Academy. For more information, you can contact at 7827048964 or you can also visit at toppersacademy.app.